to Current Affairs for UPSC by Zaki. Today we are going to discuss about the historic flight of Ingenuity on Mars. So see how this flight conducted, how the communication between the Earth and Mars will take place. So let's start with the topic historic flight of Ingenuity on Mars. NASA Ingenuity Mars helicopter has successfully become the first aircraft in the history to fly in another planet, an advance which could pave the way of future tandem exploration mission that include new terrestrial and aerial surveillance method beyond the means it paved the way of the human surveillance on other planets beyond Mars and so on. So please know about Ingenuity helicopter. So what is Ingenuity helicopter? What kind of this helicopter and what are the communication system of this helicopter? So the helicopter was carried out by Perseverance Mars rover. Perseverance rover is a part of Mars 2020 mission. You also find my video on Mars 2020 missions on my channel. So if you want to see more detail about the Mars 2020 mission, you can go to our channel and see the video. And also don't forget about the subscribe my channel. So the Mars 2020 mission was launched on Atlas V5 launch vehicle. We earlier discussed on that. So let's move forward. The success message of the flight of the helicopter was received through the Perseverance rover. Perseverance rover acted as the medium of communication throughout the flight of Ingenuity and the MRO and the Earth. So this helicopter was solar powered. So it is a solar power helicopter. It had solar panel on their blade. So it is about 1.8 kilogram. 1.8 kilogram chopper, and it is about 0.49 meter tall, and with two rotated blades about 1.2 meter and total wing speed stacked above each other. So we can also see the video how the first flight conducted by the NASA. So according to the NASA engineers, the helicopter also had a vacuum capable and capable of survival at very low temperature, means minus 100 degrees Celsius. So minus 100 degrees. So that is the feature of the Ingenuity helicopter. Let's move forward. Historic flight of Ingenuity. So earlier we discussed about the features of Ingenuity, and now we have seen how this flight conducted on 29th April 2021. So see, during the flight, Ingenuity reached the maximum height of 3 meter or 10 feet. 10 feet or 3 meter. It also maintained a stable hover for the 30 seconds. A stable hover 30 seconds and plus ground to the 10 feet. Total time included 39.1 seconds. So see. So total time of the flight was about 39.1 seconds. Ingenuity was parked at about 64.3 meters from the Perseverance rover and was well communicated with the Perseverance rover. So we see the communication system of Perseverance rover and Ingenuity. The flight of Ingenuity was not recorded in real time. Remember, because it is distance between the Mars and Earth. So it is not recorded in the real time. They communicate to the Earth and it's taken some time, 5 to 7 minutes, 7 minutes. So it is not real time. So see about the flight video. It is historic flight and it is first flight video and in detail. You can never find and this type of video and such kind of any platform like the Sky Coaching and etc. It is very significant video. So this video was taken by Perseverance rover Mars-Z Cam video. So Mars-Cam Z, I also discuss about Mars-Cam Z in the earlier video, Mars Perseverance, Mars Mission 2020. So you see the detail of Mars-Cam Z camera in our first video. It is called Mars 2020 mission. So you can subscribe my channel and please see this video for the more detail. So this footage was taken by Perseverance rover Mars-Z. So the rover was away from 211 feet from the engine. So this is the flight and hovering about 30 seconds. So if we see the distance from the height from the ground of the Martian surface to it is about 3 meters or 10 feet. So it is 10 feet or 3 meters high. Further, we see in the zoom cam. So see, this is the hovering of. So if we see in the zoom replay, you see so after Ingenuity first flight, you see there is some of the clear. So it's also flow the Martian dust. And Ingenuity helicopter also captured some footage. See this type of footage captured by Ingenuity helicopter. So see. This type of footage captured by the Ingenuity. So let's move forward. So know about the communication system between the Ingenuity helicopter, Perseverance rover, and Mars orbiter, and the Earth and Mars. So how these communications are taken, and basically these communications are called Deep Space Network, DSN. So what is DSN? So know about what is Deep Space Network or DSN. The data between the control station in the Earth and the Perseverance rover was sent and received through DSN or Deep Space Network of NASA. So The Deep Space Network, also called DSN of NASA, is an international array of giant radio antenna, and it support interplanetary space mission. So any interplanetary space mission need this type of deep space network, so communicate with the satellite and the other space craft. So it is operated by it is basically it is controlled by the NASA, and it is operated by the Jet Propulsion Laboratory of NASA. So see, the DSN is located 3 different places around the globe. So these locations are spaced between 120 degrees apart from the longitude around the world. These 3 antennas situated in Madrid, Spain, Goldstone, California, and Canberra, Australia. 3 places around the globe. So that's basically these rovers and Perseverance rovers and this engineered helicopter basically use autonomous system and artificial intelligence. As you also know about the artificial intelligence AI. And if you join my class, I also tell more about the artificial intelligence and what are the significance of artificial intelligence in human life. So these autonomy system and artificial intelligence used by these rover or in this mission. So the autonomous system developed for the Ingenuity uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence and machines learning tools. So here is the what type of communication conducted by these NASA and others. So see, just like the Sojourner rover in 1997, which is also in Pathfinder mission, 1997 Pathfinder mission by NASA, with the numerous Mars rovers on the scientists. So if we see, the 1997 is the groundbreaking by the Pathfinder sent first images of the Mars, and after that a type of various rover, Ingenuity, Perseverance, and it is also the Sojourner and other Curiosity and all about the other rover on the Mars. So the scientists believe the Ingenuity technology demo can open the doors of future drone mission to the other planet, like beyond the Mars, like Jupiter, Saturn, Plato. Plato is dwarf planet, but it is also some dwarf planet is also very significant for the mission. So other planet. So see the animation of this communication, how this communication was conducted between the Earth and the Mars. So see, all these satellites, where it is Jupiter or it is the Curiosity or it is the Perseverance rover, use this type of. So these communication satellites antenna from rover to the Mars orbiter MRO. So and you see here is the Curiosity landing. It is MRO satellite. That is Mars Odyssey, 2001 Mars Odyssey. So these all satellites play a vital role in the communication between the Earth and the Mars. So see how. So see, if we have Perseverance rover have a high gain antenna. It has a high gain antenna. This, yeah, is high gain antenna, and this antenna communicate with the satellite and also command the Ingenuity helicopter. So see, so see, it is Ingenuity helicopter solar panel. It is solar powered helicopter, as we are here discussed with you, and see here antenna installed. So see, this is antenna. This antenna is called monopole antenna. So see, this is solar panel and this is antenna. This is antenna. So see, and this antenna is called monopole antenna. It is about 5 to 6 centimeter tall. This antenna. So this antenna communicate to the Perseverance rover. Perseverance communicate to the Mars orbiter, and Mars orbiter communicate to the Earth center. So this type of communication taken between Mars and Earth in this mission. So let's read further move. Question for the UPSC. Our section question for the UPSC. Consider the following statement regarding the Ingenuity Mars helicopter. Number 1, the flight of Ingenuity was recorded in the real time. Number 2, the data between the control station in the Earth and the Perseverance rover was sent and received through the deep space network. Which of the above statement is correct? A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. Please write your comment in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel for this kind of video. You can never get such kind of animation and clarity on any UPSC coachings or other places. So please subscribe my channel, and as you know, one picture can tell you 1,000. So it is more better to watch video and read my blog for the new science and technology news. So we further move up our second section. Second section is answer of the previous question. Answer of the previous question. Consider the following statement regarding the Montreal Protocol. In 1987, the United Nations established the Montreal Protocol to regulate the ozone depleting gases. It is right. All ozone depleting gases was regulated under the Montreal Protocol. Number 2, the Montreal Protocol was ratified by 60% of UN members. It is wrong. It is universal ratification. It is the only treaty ratified by all members. So it is for universal ratification. So why this ozone layer was recovered? Because this is ratified. This treaty was ratified by all members, so it is universal ratification. It is not 60% of the UN member. So this is wrong. So which of the above statement is correct? So A only, A is right. B not, it is universal ratification, so B is wrong. Both 1 and 2 also wrong, and D. So answer is A. So please write your answer, today's answer, in the comment box, and please subscribe my channel, tell your friend about our initiative, so you aware about the what happening around the science and scientific. So you can never miss a question, such type of question asked previous years, like ELISA, such a type of the critical tiger habitat, and so on. So as you aware about the science, ecology, environment are very significant for the UPSC regarding the PT. So if you want to close the gateway, you can subscribe my channel and tell your friend about our institute. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot.